welcome to RV dealers, manufacturers, suppliers, retailers, campgrounds, and techs, as well as the many special guests joining us here today, both from traditional and social media. The RVX is officially kicking off the camping season with the Reveal event. And the ultimate city escape RV is... Feast your eyes on the Leisure Travel 2020 Unity Rear Lounge. Marking the 10th anniversary of the Unity, the 2020 Rear Lounge model represents a decade of product improvements, and it sets the stage for a new era for this fan favorite. Our judges noted that the 2020 Unity is exceptionally well designed with attention to detail that evokes sleek European rail cars. With an overall length of just over 25 feet, this maneuverable RV is small enough to drive through the city, but big enough to enjoy for days or weeks at a time. And can I make a personal observation? That thing actually looks really good. Like, you would just get style points alone for cruising in that thing. And our judges noted that the Murphy bed really helps open up the living space, making it feel so much larger. The Unity Rear Lounge is the first RV to feature the all-new Dometic IoT solution. That's a big deal. The judges summed up the Unity this way: a smart Class B RV that doesn't miss a chance to treat you to a luxurious experience. Leisure Travel's Wonder Rear twin bed motorhome features stylish and versatile packaging with lots of windows. It also boasts North America's first exterior pass-through garage, large enough to house 2 full-size bicycles. Plus, a centralized touchscreen integrates the electrical components for a simplified owner experience, allowing RVers to focus on what matters most, exploring the world around them.